Hi guys, in this class we will discuss about what is full stack development. The person who have a full stack development skill is called full stack developer. So let's start to learn about a full stack development. Full stack development is referred to both work of front-end development and back-end development. Collectively, we say that this is a full stack development in which there is a work of front-end and back-end development. Full stack developer who have both in skill backend and front development, and also more skill that we will discuss in this lecture. One of them is a front-end development, back-end development. Another is a database skill, version control skill, project management tools. First of all, front-end development. There are many skills you should know in the front development. You know that in the previous class I have discussed in the detail about the front-end development. HTML. Another is CSS. This is a cascading style sheet in which you design a website. Uh, you control website look or appearance. Another is a Bootstrap. Bootstrap is a framework of HTML and CSS. JavaScript is also used in designing of the website to control look of a website. You can get also functionality using a JavaScript. jQuery is the library of a JavaScript. You can also use in the front-end side. Responsive designing is one of them. Is an important skill of a front-end developer, because in which you create a website. That website should open properly in every device like mobile, tablet, laptop, PC, and other also. Another web performance. You have to control performance of the website. You have to check website up and down and take action if your website is down. So another is a backend development. Any programming language like PHP, Python, C#, C++, you have to learn any backend programming language. Database skill. SQL. SQL is a structured query language that is used to communicate with database. When you want to insert record in the database, or when you want to fetch or retrieve record from the database, when you want to update, delete record in the database, you have to communicate with the database. So in that purpose, SQL is one of them, is a way to communicate with database. Logical mind. You should have a logical mind to create different types of logic to solve any problem. Another is a problem solving skill is very important. One skill a backend developer should have. Another skill is a database. These are different types of database. It depends upon you. You should know about the different types of database. Version control, in which you create different types of website version. You can control their version. There are many version control system. Git is mostly used. Another is a project management tools you can use, in which you can manage your project. Now Jira, Trello are most important and used. So these are different skill as I share with you about a full stack development. Anyhow, if you have any question, any problem, any confusion, you can discuss with me without any hesitation. Thank you.